Question 1. In taxonomic hierarchy, cats are placed under the genus Felis, B. Panthera, C. Canis, D. None of these. Question 2. The name of a plant order ends with C. Biales, Cida. Question 3. The suffix oid is used for tribe, B. Family, C. Class, D. Subfamily. Question 4. Which of the following the correct scientific name of wheat derived by binomial nomenclature? Triticum vulgare, B. Triticum aestivum, C. Oryza sativa, D. Zaemes. Question 5. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango, which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. Mangifera indica, B. Mangifera indica Car. Linn, C. Mangifera indica Linn, D. Mangifera indica. Question 6. Which of the following organisms does not reproduce? Mule, B. Worker bee, C. Infertile human female, D. All of these. Question 7. The statement "nothing lives forever, yet life continues" illustrates the role of embryogenesis, C. Replication, B. Morphogenesis, D. Reproduction. Question 8. Two animals belong to the same kingdom but different classes. They may belong to the same phylum, B. Order, C. Division, D. Species. Question 9. The third name in trinomial nomenclature is species, B. Subgenus, C. Subspecies, D. Ecotype. Question 10. A living organism is unexceptionally differentiated from a non-living structure on the basis of reproduction, B. Growth and movement, C. Interaction with environment, D. Responsiveness. Question 11-2. ICBN is A. International Code of Biological Naming, B. International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, C. International Class of Biological Nomenclature, D. International Classification of Biological Nomenclature. Question 12. Founder of binomial nomenclature was Linnaeus, B. Mendel, C. Darwin, D. Lamarck. Question 13. Most names in biological nomenclature of living organisms are taken from which language? Hindi, B. Latin, C. German, D. French. Question 14. Who wrote Species Plantarum and provided a basis for the classification of plants? Carolus Linnaeus, C. Robert Hooke, B. Charles Darwin, D. Leeuwenhoek. Question 15. The main purpose for the classification of organisms is to study geography, B. Locate plants and animals, C. Establish relationships amongst organisms, D. Study evolution. Question 16. Which one of the following belongs to the family Mesidae? Housefly, C. Grasshopper, B. Firefly, D. Cockroach. Question 17. The plants growing in an area surrounded by a geographical or political boundary will be included in fauna, B. Aquatic ecosystem, C. Flora, D. Terrestrial ecosystem. Question 18. A couplet in a key is each statement in the key, B. Contrasting characters in a pair, C. Rejection of a statement, D. None of these. Question 19. In the system of classification, which one of the following is not a category? B. Species, Kingdom, C. Angiospermy, D. Genus. Question 20. Arboretum is a part of botanical gardens where bonsai are made. B. Beautification is done, C. Palms are grown, D. Big trees are cultivated in the form of forests. Question 21. Which of the following serves as a quick referral systems in taxonomical studies? Museum, C. Herbarium, B. Zoological park, D. Botanical garden. Question 22. The most convenient way for easy identification of plants and animals by applying diagnostic features is use of botanical gardens, b. herbaria, c. Question 23. Key is a taxonomical aid used for the identification of organisms. Each statement in key is called couplet, b. lead, c. both and, b. Question 23. All living organisms are linked to one another because they have common genetic material of the same type. B. They share common genetic material but to varying degrees. C. All have common cellular organization. D. All of the above. Question 24. Animals are classified into hierarchical groups, in which one of the following, the largest number of species is found. A. Genus, C. Family, B. Order, D. Class. Question 25. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their family, C. Division, B. Order, D. Genus. Question 26. Who is known as the Darwin of the 20th century? Lamarck, B. Ernst Mayr, C. Carolus Linnaeus, D. Robert May. Question 27. The growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events in plants only, B. Animals only, C. Higher animal and plants, D. Primitive organisms. Question 28. Which of the following organism does not reproduce? A. Mules, B. Sterile worker bees, C. Sterile human couple, D. All of these. Question 29. Botanical name of potato is Mangifera indica, B. Solanum tuberosum, C. Solanum melangina, D. Panthera leo. Question 30. Petunia is a variety, B. Subspecies, C. Species, D. Genus. Question 31. In Mangifera indica Lin stands for Latin, B. Lower organism, C. Linnaeus, D. Question 32. Two components of binomial nomenclature are generic name, B. Specific epithet, C. Both, and B. D. Subspecies. Question 33. The sum total of chemical reactions occurring in our body is called metabolism, B. Homeostasis, C. Catabolism, D. Anabolism. Question 34. The number of known and described species that are in the range of approximately 1.3 to 1.4 million, B. 1.4 to 1.5 million, C. 1.7 to 1.8 million, D. 1.9 to 2.2 million. Question 35. Zoological name of lion is Mangifera indica, B. Solanum tuberosum, C. Solanum melangina, D. Panthera leo. Question 36. Systema Naturae is A. Publication of Linnaeus, B. Institute for Classification Studies, C. Method to classify organisms, D. Evolutionary relationship studies. Question 37. What is a homonym? A. Identical name of two different taxa, B. Two or more names of same taxon, C. Name given to a taxon in local language, D. Species name repeats the generic name. Question 37. Nicotiana is a species, B. Subspecies, C. Genus, D. Class. Question 38. Which among the following is involved in the naming of the animals scientifically? Question 39. Magnifera indica and Azadirachta indica belongs to same genus, B. Same species, C. Same phylum, D. Same region. Question 40. Which of the following takes into account evolutionary relationships between organisms? Cladistics, B. Artificial system of classification, C. Natural system of classification, D. Systematics. Question 41. Information on any of the taxon are provided by monographs, B. Manuals, C. Herbarium sheets, D. Catalogs. Question 42. Felis catus is the scientific name of A. Cat, B. Lion, C. Dog, D. Cow. Question 43. Homo sapiens belong to the genus A. Sapiens, B. Homo, C. Hominidae, D. Mammalia. Question 44. Magnifera indica belongs to the family A. Felicae, B. Convolvulaceae, C. Anacardiaceae, D. Poaceae.